The past year has been so crazy.
I think a lot of people are confused.
It's a bit confusing and disconcerting.
Confusing. We know that's the response a lot of you have had to new indoor mask recommendations. And as schools are preparing for students to return to the classroom, there's some mixed feelings about whether or not to follow them. Now we're hearing from school administrators in Maine who are making the tough decisions. News Center Maine's Sean Stackhouse has more.
New guidance from the U.S. and Maine CDC this week recommending students, teachers, and staff all be masked when they return to the classroom this fall, even if they're vaccinated.
It's been a bit of a waiting game, trying to figure out what conditions are going to change.
Heather Perry is the superintendent of the Gorham School Department. Right now, she's preparing her own recommendations for reopening and masks in school, which will then go to the school board.
Those kinds of recommendations we take very, very seriously. And so even though they may say recommendations, you'd have to have some really good reasons why you wouldn't follow them.
Other school leaders planning to leave masking decisions to individual families.
Recommendation I'll be making to the school committee on Monday evening is that we make masking in schools a family choice.
Lewiston Superintendent Jake Langlis says while student safety is a priority, masking is a recommendation, not a mandate.
What we can't do is force our will on families and their choices.
I think they're turning now to superintendents to make those mandates, and that puts superintendents in a real difficult situation.
York Superintendent Lou Goskinski says while the decision was tough, he sided with the experts.
We'll be following to a T Dr. Shaw's recommendations, where we will be strongly recommending masks for students and employees.
Keep as kids safe as possible.
Maine health experts held a virtual panel Thursday on getting kids back into the classroom safely. Vice President of the Maine Academy of Pediatrics, Dr. Laura Blaisdell, supporting the new mask recommendations.
Delta being more transmissible coming into the school year would require those tried and true public health interventions like masking in order to keep kids safe.
But as of now, whether or not your children will be masked this fall is encouraged, but not mandated. Sean Stackhouse, News Center, Maine.
All the superintendents we spoke to will need to present their recommendations to their respective school boards before any measures are put in place.